Ever notice how the loudest voices online swear the secret to cash is 5 a.m. alarms and hustle culture? I totally disagree. With the right artificial intelligence tools, you can earn more while doing less than it takes to microwave popcorn. Below are 5 side hustles that run on autopilot. Pick one, set it up tonight, and let the bots foot the bill tomorrow. Here's the scene. Your buddy messages, "I need a prompt that turns ChatGPT into a copywriting genius." You paste 4 lines you already wrote, he Venmos you $50, and you're back to scrolling dog videos. That's prompt engineering, lazy edition. Zero coding, zero long calls, just sell the magic words. Hop over to PromptBase, open a shop in the time it takes to brew coffee, and list your top 5 prompts at $15 a pop. The top sellers there quietly pull in $4 minus $5K a month without breaking a sweat. If you can tweet, you can cash in. Next up, blog posts minus the typing marathon. Buyers on Upwork and Fiverr still shell out $30 to $100 per article. Your stack is Copy.ai for outlines, Jasper for rough drafts, Grammarly for polish. You're a one-person content studio in sweatpants. I batch 4 articles on Sunday, ship them Monday morning, and coast the rest of the week. One client at $300 per mo covers my car note, stack 4 more and the mortgage is on autopilot. Call it, I enhance SEO content, and they'll pay premium for the buzzwords. The no-camera classic, Faceless YouTube. I spun one up about weird history. ChatGPT writes the scripts, InVideo stitches the clips, and an AI voice that sounds suspiciously like Morgan Freeman narrates. 4 uploads, schedule them weeks ahead, then let AdSense and the occasional sponsor trickle in. My channel hit monetization in 30 days and now funds Spotify, Netflix, and weekly grocery runs. Setup is the only real work, after that it's couch money. If you like truly passive, sell stuff you never touch. Ask Midjourney for 50 fresh coloring pages, drop them into a PDF, slap it on Etsy as a printable kids activity book. 20 minutes of clicking, and you own a product that sells while you snore. I did the same with a wedding planning template bundle, Canva AI plus ChatGPT on a Thursday night, listed Friday, woke up Saturday to $200 in sales. Etsy handles delivery, you handle sleeping in. Last one, be a virtual assistant without the desk job. Businesses want calendars sorted, inboxes tamed, data copied. Zapier, Notion artificial intelligence, and Google Assistant knock out 90% of the grunt work. Brand yourself on Fiverr as an AI-enhanced virtual assistant. I batch 2 hours on Monday, line up everyone's week, then ignore my inbox until Friday. Clients think I'm a wizard. I think Wednesday's a great day for the beach. Starter rate is $25 per hour, 5 clients and the bot still give you afternoons off. If any of these ideas made you smirk and open a new tab, tap subscribe and drop a like. The algorithm's needy, and I'd like to keep feeding it. Grab the free checklist, Zero Effort AI Cash Machines, link below. It lists every tool, prompt, and marketplace I just mentioned. Snag it, try one hustle, then come back and brag in the comments. I read and tried to answer every question. Also, grab a copy of my introduction to ChatGPT handbook titled Solo CEO, with over 500 ChatGPT prompts across niches and professional sectors. Old rule says more money equals more grind. Artificial intelligence just flipped the script. Pick a hustle, let the machines lift, and prove that smart laziness beats hustle culture every single time.